Hello guys, I am Vishwanath Yadav. I have passed MSc Mathematics from Tribhuvan University. My teaching experience is about 25 years. In today's session, I would like to deal with the counting of numbers, where the numbers are formed under certain conditions. Let us take an example. In how many ways can the even numbers of three different digits be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4? Before solving this question, let us observe some examples. These are even numbers. These are divisible by 2. These are 3-digit numbers. Tens place and hundred place are taken randomly, but the unit place are those numbers which are divisible by 2. Then these numbers are even. So whether the number is even or not is not decided by the digits taken at hundreds place and tens place. Whatever they did, we take at 1000, all these numbers are divisible by 2. These are decided by these digits, the numbers at the unit place. As being these even numbers, these are divisible by 2. As being even numbers, these are all are divisible by 2. In this example, all these numbers, first 3 places can be taken any number. If the place of unit is filled by even numbers, then the resulting numbers thus formed will be even. These all numbers are divisible by 2. So from this example, what we observe, the digit at the unit place decides whether number is even or not. If it is even, unit place is filled up by the even digit, then the number will be even. Here we have 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and the question is form the numbers of 3 different digits. The condition is number must be even. Number must be of 3 digits. The digits must be different. Means we have to fill up 3 vacant places. As we have to form numbers of 3 different digits, means we have to fill up 3 vacant places. The place of unit decides whether the number is even or not. If unit place is filled up by the even number, then the number of 3 digit will be even. So what are the even digits? From the given digits 0, 2 and 4 can be used for unit place. So unit place can be filled up by 0 or 2 or 4. Out of these 3, if any one of them is taken at unit place, whatever be the choice for tens and 100, the resulting numbers definitely will be divisible by 2. Definitely will be even. To form such even numbers, fix unit place by 0 or 2 or 4. So this is one choice. This is one way of forming even numbers, where unit place is fixed by the digit 0. Then what are the remaining digits by which these 2 places can be filled up? The remaining digits are 1, 2, 3, 4. So 100th place can be filled up by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So in how many ways this place can be filled up? This place can be filled up in 4 ways. Suppose 100th place is filled up by the number 1. Then what will remain? These are the 3 numbers 2, 3 and 4 by which 10th place can be filled up. So for 10th place there are 3 options, and for unit place one option is 0 to make the even number. So how we count such numbers, such even numbers whose unit place is filled up by 0? 4 ways for 100th place, and 3 ways for 10th place, and 1 way for unit place. Then the total numbers, even numbers having unit place 0 is 12. This is one case. This is one way of forming even numbers from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fix the unit place, as unit place decides the number is even or not. Fix the unit place by the digit 2. So this is one way of forming even number. Remaining 2 places are to be filled up. When unit place is fixed by the digit 2, what are the remaining digits by which these 2 places can be filled up? The remaining digits are 0, 1, 3 and 4. If we take 0 at the 100th place, then the resulting number will not be of 3 different digits. The number will be of 2 digits. Suppose we have taken 0 at the 100th place and 1 at the 10th place, then it is 12. This number is not of 3 digits, it will be of 2 digits. But the condition of the question is number must be of 3 digits. So 0 is not useful for 100th place. Then what are useful for the 100th place? We can use 1 or 3 or 4 at the 100th place. So there are 3 ways of filling the vacant place 100. After filling this place, suppose this place is filled up by the digit 1, then 3 numbers, 3 digits will remain for the 10th place. 0 now can be used at the 10th place. So when 0 is included, the remaining digits for each choice of the 100th place, 10th place has also 3 options, 0 or 3 or 4. In this way, if we take 3 at the 100th place, then the remaining digits will be 3, as 0 is also useful for filling the 10th place. So there are 3 ways of filling 10th place, and this is one way of making even number by taking the digit 1 at the unit place. So 100th place in 3 ways, and 10th place in 3 ways, and unit place in 1 way. So while counting these all numbers, we can find total number 9 ways of making even numbers whose unit place is 2. In third case, fix the digit 4 at the unit place. Then whatever be the number at the 10th place and 100th place, the number remains even. When 4 is fixed at the unit place, what are the remaining digits? The remaining digits are 0, 1, 2 and 3. But 0 is not useful for the 100th place. If we take 0, then the number will not be of 3 digits. The number becomes only of 2 digits. Then for 100th place, the available digits are, useful digits are 1, 2 or 3. So there are three ways of filling hundredth place. Suppose 2 is taken at hundredth place. Then for tens place 0 is useful. So we can fill up the tens place by the digit 0 or 1 or 3. Means there are three ways of filling tens place. And unit place by 4 means this is one way of filling unit place. Hundredth place in three ways and tens place in three ways and one way of filling unit place. Then the total numbers, even numbers, total even numbers whose unit place is 4 is 3 into 3 into 1, means there are 9 ways of forming such even numbers whose unit place is filled up by the digit 4. So if the number is even of 3 different digits, unit place will be either 0 or 2 or 4. Unit place must be even. So the total numbers of 3 different digits, the numbers if even, is the sum of these three, 12 plus 9 plus 9. So total 30 ways. By 30 ways we can use the 5 digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 to make the even numbers. 3 different even numbers of 3 different digits. We can write these numbers. Let's observe how we write these numbers. These are numbers of 3 different digits. The numbers are even. Unit place is filled up by the digit 0. So one way of filling unit place. 100 place is taken 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So there are 4 ways of selecting 100 place. We can take the digit 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. But unit place is taken in all these arrangements only 0. For each choice of 100 place, there are 3 choices for the tens place. So for counting such all even numbers, we count like this. 100 place is filled up in 4 different ways, by 1 or 2 or 3 or 4. So 4 options we have for the 100th place. For each choice of 100 place, there are 3 choices for tens place. So we multiply these two, and unit place has only one option, that is 0. So such all even numbers of 3 different digits, when the unit place is filled up by 0 is 12, we can count these numbers. We can represent such numbers like this. Now when we fix the unit place by 2, how many even numbers of 3 different digits are possible to form, we can observe with the help of forming the numbers, even numbers of 3 different digits. 102, 132, 142, 302, 312, 342, 402, 412, 432. Altogether, there are 9 even numbers of 3 different digits. In each number, unit place is filled up by the digit 2. For the 100 place, we can use the digit 1 or 3 or 4. We have 3 choices to fill up the 100 place, and for each choice of 100 place, there are three choices for the tens place, and unit place has only one option, only one choice, that is 2. So such, while counting the even numbers of 3 different digits, when the unit place is filled up by the digit 2, each total 3 into 3 into 1, 9, which by which 9 even numbers having unit place 2. The third type even numbers formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the digits taking different. While taking unit place 4, it is possible the 100 place in 3 different ways, either by 1 or by 2 or by 3 can be filled up. For each choice of 100, there are 3 choices for tens place. If we are taking in all the even numbers unit place 4. So when we count, here also we get 3 ways of forming 100 place, 3 ways of forming tens place, and 1 way of filling unit place. Then by counting these all, we get the total number 9 even numbers of 3 different digits having unit place 4. So if the numbers are even formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, then the unit place will be either 0 or 2 or 4. Unit place determines whether the number is even or not. If the unit place of a number is even, then such number is even. I had given example before solving this question. So these all are even numbers. These all are divisible by 2. While counting these all, we get the total even numbers 30. Sum of these 3, we get the total even numbers formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. 3 digits even numbers where all digits are different is 30. Let us take another example of counting of numbers. In how many ways can the numbers of 4 different digits divisible by 4 be formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4? We have to form numbers of 4 different digits, and the numbers are divisible by 4. The available digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. We have 5 digits given by which we have to form the numbers of 4 different digits. All those numbers are divisible by 4. Let us observe example before solving this question. These numbers are divisible by 4. All these numbers 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36 and 40. These all are divisible by 4. Now make these numbers of 3 different digits or 3 digits. Whichever number we like, we can fill up at the hundreds place. We have made these numbers of 3 digits. We can check, all of you can check, these numbers are divisible by 4. All these numbers are divisible by 4. I have taken randomly the digit at the 100 place. Although we have taken randomly, these all numbers are divisible by 4. Even if we want to make the numbers of 4 digits, the selection of the 1000 place will not make the difference. The number still remains divisible by 4, randomly, let us take these numbers at the thousand place. We can check these all numbers, these are divisible by 4. This is magic of numbers. We can observe this. You can check these all numbers, these are divisible by 4. We have taken randomly at the digits at the thousand place, even then the numbers remain divisible by 4. If we want to make the numbers of 1000, 10,000s, then at the 10,000 place any digit can be taken. These all numbers are still divisible by 4. We can check this. So what we observe, whether a number is divisible by 4 or not, is decided by the last two digits. The choice of these numbers will not make any difference. These cannot change from being the numbers divisible by 4. If the last two digit numbers are divisible by 4, whatever be the number at the hundreds, thousand, 10,000 places, the number still remains divisible by 4. With the help of this example, you can check yourself by taking any digits at the hundreds, thousand, 10,000 and so on. This will not make any difference from being the numbers divisible by 4 if the last two places are filled up by those numbers which are divisible by 4. 40 is divisible by 4, 36 is divisible by 4, 4, 8, 12. So deciding factor is the last two places. By two places, tens place and unit place, if we form the number and that number is divisible by 4, then whatever be the number taken at the 100 place and 1000 place, the resulting number will also be divisible by 4. From these examples, we can get idea how to count the numbers, how to count those numbers which are divisible by 4. The numbers are of 4 different digits formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So the last two places can be filled up. What are the available digits? By them, we have to select those two digits which are divisible by 4. So what are such numbers? The numbers are 0, 4, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 4, 3, 2, 4, 0. From them, we can select such two numbers. These two places when filled up by these numbers, whatever be the numbers at the 100 place and 1000 place, the numbers, all numbers will be divisible by 4. We can check. So how many cases we have to counting the numbers divisible by 4 formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Fix tens place and unit place by the digit 0 and 4. The selection of the digit at the 100 place and 1000 place will not affect this number from being divisible by 4. So if 0 and 4 are taken out of these 5 digits, this is one way of selection of these two places to find the numbers divisible by 4. So what are the remaining digits? The remaining digits are 1, 2, 3. 2 digits have been taken already. So we can use digit 1 or 2 or 3 at the 1000 place. So there are 3 ways of filling 1000 place, either 1 or 2 or 3. Suppose 1 is taken at the 1000 place, then what will remain? 2 and 3. by any one of them. 100 place can be filled up. So 100 place can be filled up in two ways. And this is one way of selecting the last two digits. So 1000 place in three ways and 100 place in two ways, and the last two places taking 04 is one way for finding the numbers which are divisible by 4. Such all numbers we find by multiplying these ways. 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 ways. So the numbers of 4 different digits divisible by 4 having last two places 04 is total 6. This is one case. This is one way of forming the numbers of 4 different digits divisible by 4. Another type number which are divisible by 4 can be determined by fixing the tens place and unit place by the digits 1 and 2. Fix this place. Then the vacant places will remain to 1 thousands place and other hundreds place, and the remaining digits are 0, 1, 3 and 4. These are 4 digits, but 1 has been used at the tens place, so 1 cannot be used again, as we have to form the numbers of 4 different digits. So available digits are only 3, 0, 3 and 4. If we use 0 at the thousand place, the number will not be of 4 different digits. So thousand place can be filled up by 3 or 4. Means only in two ways. Suppose 3 is taken at the thousand place. Then for the 100 place, we can use 0. So for 100 place also we have two options, either 0 or 4. In case we have taken at the thousand place digit 3. So 1000 place in two ways and 100 place in two ways, and the last two places in one way. This is one way of taking tens place and unit place. So by the multiplication principle of counting, such all numbers is 4 which are divisible by 4. If the last two places are filled up by the digit 2 and 0, even then the numbers will be divisible by 4. So fix this place. This is one way of forming the numbers divisible by 4. When 2 and 0 are used, at the last two places, what are the remaining digits? The remaining digits are 1, 3, 4. The thousand place can be filled up by 1 or 3 or 4 by any one of them. So 3 ways. By 3 ways, thousand place can be filled up. Suppose thousand place is filled up by the digit 4. Then what are the remaining digits by which the 100 place can be filled up? Remaining digits are 1 and 3, means 2 ways. We can take either 1 or 3 in case 1000 place is filled up by the digit 4. So 1000 place in 3 ways, 100 place in 2 ways, and the last two places in 1 way. So by counting such numbers, we use multiplication principle of counting, and it is total 3 into 2 into 1, that is 6 ways. So when we count all the numbers, divisible by 4 of 4 different digits whose last two places are 20 is 6. Let us fix the tens place and unit place by the digit 2 and 4, that is 24, and 24 is divisible by 4. So the numbers when taken at the thousand place and hundred place any number, the number still remains divisible by 4. So what are the available digits that can be used to fill up thousand place and tens place? The digits are 0, 1, 3. 0 cannot be used at the thousand place. If you use, the number will not be of 4 digits, it will be only of 3 digits. 0 is not useful for the thousand place. We can use at the thousand place either 1 or 3. So there are two ways of filling thousand place. Suppose 1 is taken at the thousand place. Now for the hundred place, 0 can be used or 3 can be used. So for each choice of thousand place, as 0 can be used for the hundred, there are also two choices for the hundredth place. And this is one choice for the last two places. So thousand place in two ways and hundred place in two ways, and for the last two places one way. Then while counting those numbers whose the last two places are 24 can be found by multiplying these numbers 2 into 2 into 1 4 ways. In fifth case, fix the last two places by the number 3 and 2, that is 32, and 32 is divisible by 4. We have to find what are the possibilities to fill up the thousand place and hundred place. The numbers are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Two digits have been used. These are 3 and 2. So only these are the options for the remaining two places, as we have to form numbers of 4 different digits. So again 3 and 2 cannot be used. Then the available digits are 0, 1 and 4. But 0 cannot be used at the thousand place. We can use 1 or 4. To fill up the thousand place. Suppose 1 is taken at the thousand place, then for the hundred place 0 can be used. So still we have two options for the hundred place. And one way of filling the last two places. So while counting these number of ways, first thousand place in two ways, hundred place in two ways, and the last two places tens and unit can be filled by one way by taking the number 3 and 2. So for the basic principle of counting, multiplication principle, the total such numbers will be 4, having last two digits 3 and 2. Well, last two places, that is tens place and unit place, is filled up by the digits 4 and 0, that is 40. 40 is divisible by 4. So this is one way of forming numbers divisible by 4. Fix this place. So this is one way of forming numbers divisible by 4. Now we have to find what are the ways by which thousand place and hundred place can be filled up. The digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are 5 digits. 0 and 4 have been used. Then what are the remaining digits by which these two places are to be filled up? 1, 2 and 3. We can take any one of them for the thousand place. Thousand place can be filled up by 1 or 2 or 3. Means in 3 ways this place can be filled up. When this place is filled up, suppose by 2, what are the numbers by which the 100 place can be filled up? The numbers are 1 and 3. Either 1 or 3 can be used for the 100 place. So 100 place can be filled up in 2 ways, and this is one way of filling the last 2 places. 1000 place in 3 ways and 100 place in 2 ways, and the last 2 places in 1 way. So counting such numbers, we find all such numbers by multiplying these 3 from the multiplication principle of counting. 3 into 2 into 1, 6 ways. So if the number of 4 different digits are divisible by 4, the last 2 digits will be either 04 or 12 or 24 or 30 or 40. So these are different possibilities of selecting the last 2 digits. These all digits should be divisible by 4. So this is one magic of numbers. We find how we find the numbers divisible by 4. So these are the ways, possible ways for forming the numbers of 4 different digits divisible by 4. So either the last 2 digits will be 04 or 12 or 20 or 24 or 32 or 40. So altogether, how many ways we have? 6 ways, and when we add these all, we can find all the numbers of 4 different digits which are divisible by 4. 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6, total 30 ways. We can write all such numbers which are divisible by 4, which are formed by the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let us observe writing such numbers. In all these arrangements, the last 2 digits are taken 04. So this is one way of forming numbers of 4 different digits which are divisible by 4. These all numbers are divisible by 4. There are 3 ways of selecting thousand place. We can fill up the thousand place by 1 or 2 or 3. For each choice of thousand, there are 2 options, 2 choices for the 100 place, and 04 is one choice of the last 2 places, and the numbers thus formed of 4 different digits are divisible by 4. You can observe. So while counting these numbers, its total number is 6. These are 6 numbers. These numbers are formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These numbers are of 4 different digits, and these numbers are divisible by 4. The last 2 places are filled up or fixed by the digits 1 and 2, that is 12. As being 12 divisible by 4, so these all numbers are divisible by 4. There are 2 choices for filling the thousand place. We have used here thousand place. For thousand place, digit 3 or 4. For each choice of thousand, there are 2 choices for the hundreds place, and only one choice for the tens and unit place, that is 1, 2. And total numbers is 4. By taking the last two places 20, what are the ways of forming the numbers of four different digits? When the last two places are filled up by the digit 2 and 0, that is 20, these numbers are also divisible by 4. We can check it. This is magic of numbers. The thousand place is filled up by the digit 1 or 3 or 4. There are three choices for the thousand place, and for each choice of thousand, there are two choices for the hundred place, and unit tens place can be filled up only by one way. When we select 20 for the last two places, so when we count these all, total number is 6. These all numbers are divisible by 4. When 0 is used for the last two places, while counting the numbers become 6. When 0 is not used, while counting such numbers, the numbers become 4. When the last two places are filled up by the digit 2 and 4, thousand place can be filled up by 1 or 3. For each choice of thousand, there are two choices for the hundred place. Then the total such numbers is 4. These numbers are divisible by 4, and these numbers are formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. The last two places, suppose taken 3, 2, 32. 32 is divisible by 4. So whatever be the number taken before that, at the 100 place and 1000 place, the number still becomes divisible by 4. For the 1000 place, we can take either 1 or 4. So two ways, by two ways 1000 place can be filled up, and for each choice of 1000, there are two choices for the 100 place. So while counting such all numbers, it is total 4. These all numbers are divisible by 4. The last two places, suppose taken 40, that is 40. 40 is divisible by 4. So 100 and 1000 place can be used any digit, but the available digits are 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. By them we have to form the numbers. We can use at the 1000 place either digit 1 or 2 or 3, means 3 options we have for the 1000 place. For each choice of 1000, there are two choices for the 100 place, and only one choice for the last two places, that is 40. So the total such numbers which are divisible by 4 having last two places 40 is 6. So if the numbers are of 4 different digits, divisible by 4, formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, the last two places will be either 0, 4 or 12 or 20 or 24 or 32 or 40. 1000 place and 100 place are filled up by the remaining digits. So these all number of ways, when we add, we will find all the numbers of 4 different digits divisible by 4, and which are formed from the digits 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. So while adding these all, what we get? We get the total number. When we count these all, 6 plus 4 plus 6 plus 4 plus 4 plus 6. So total is 30. I think with the help of this observation, we can predict what type of number is divisible by 4 and what type of number is not divisible by 4. If the last two places are taken such numbers, by them, if it forms a number 2-digit number which is divisible by 4, then whatever be the numbers taken at the 100 place, 1000 place, 10,000 place, the numbers remains divisible by 4. This is the technique, this is the magic of number. In today's session, I had explained interesting examples related to magic of numbers, the numbers which are divisible by 4, the numbers which are divisible by 2. With the help of such examples, if you understand such techniques, such magic of numbers, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel Art of Mathematics. Thank you.